Hello guys, how are you doing? How are you holding up? I hope the holiday season treated you pretty good. And we're going to talk about goals for Scratch Kitchen for 2021. Now these are very simple. I know I can achieve them kind of goals. Alright, number one, we're going to do more videos in the kitchen. I didn't do nearly enough. I feel like I didn't do enough in the kitchen for 2020. So we're going to do more this year. We're going to share information on shortages of food, coins, and cleaning supplies. We're going to go beyond just what we're seeing on the shelves. We're going to look at what's behind them, what's driving the shortages. Are they real or are they being manufactured? That's the kind of stuff we're going to look at. Those videos will also be on Anarchy Land. 3. Share food preserving projects. Again, these will be on Anarchy Land as well. Food is going to be as precious as gold. So we're going to look at projects we can do to preserve stuff, whether it's dehydrating, it's pickling, or canning, whatever it be. But you want something where you don't have to rely on your freezer or the grid always being operable. Alright, we're going to learn more about substitutions. You know, every cookbook has this chart, and we're going to learn how to utilize them more. We're going to do more pantry meals. This is going to be using what people get from food banks or whatever they call in your area. Here in Michigan, they're called food closets. First time somebody told me about a food closet, I had no idea what the hell they were talking about. I was completely stumped. And then they told me that you go there and get food. I'm like, okay, it's a food bank in Florida. Yeah, whatever they're calling your area, that's what we're going to work with. Now, we're going to explore depression era cooking and baking. We're going to look at things that were made then and apply them to now. We're going to get back to doing sourdough projects later this year. At some point, we will do that again. Use 4 pantry meals. There's 4 pantries. Your refrigerator, your freezer, your dry pantry, and your long term. We're going to combine those. Pull items from each thing so we're not depleting one or the other. See, do more with the Instant Pot. Oh my god, y'all. We got the baking top, our Instant Pot. You can air fry with it, you can dehydrate with it. Everything you do with the air fryer, you can do with this thing in your Instant Pot. I have racks coming to dehydrate, and you can air fry with them too. Yeah, why not? You'll be able to space out, have like if you like chicken nuggets, bread them, put them on there, bake them off that way. This way they're spread out and they'll cook even. Oh my god, I can't wait. I got Jeff from Pressure Luck. I got his cookbook coming. Plus I got some other these little pans that go into either a 6 or 8 quart. In Spot you can do cakes in them. Hot diggity dog, y'all. I can't wait. And we're also going to do more with the crock pot. Okay. Number 10, I think is probably going to be one of the most important. Viewer interaction. I'm going to get better about interacting with y'all. This also means with y'all interacting together. You know, if you know a little cooking secret you've inherited that would help somebody, post it. Share it with people. Because together we can get through the chaos, the insanity that's going to be coming our way. Alright, that is it. That is my goals for this year. for Scratch Kitchen. A little bit later, I'm going to be doing some bread and butter pickles. Yes. And I didn't show the part where you pull the water, as much water and moisture out of cucumbers, because I think people know how to slice a cucumber, how to layer in a bowl with the canning, the pickling salt. I think people know how to do something like that. So, we're just going to look at rinsing the salt off, making the brine, filling the jars, and then canning them. I will see you guys later, and you will see that video tomorrow.